So you have a listing opportunity, meaning you're going in to pitch to win a new listing. You want to be their agent. You want to represent this seller in the marketplace. Once you arrive at the property, the clock is ticking. You have to build rapport. You have to establish your credibility, convey your value. You've got to look at the property. You've got to present a plan, formulate a timeline, and ultimately ask for the business. Much to do in a short period of time. You need to give yourself a head start. Upon arrival at the property, this seller should already know who you are. They should know what experience you bring, the value you provide, and what successes you've already had. This can be achieved by sending them what I call a pre-listing kit. Prior to your arrival, send them a hard copy and a digital version of marketing collateral designed to tell your story. This is about you, not just about your brokerage. This is about you. It showcases who you are, personally and professionally. Upon arrival, the seller should feel like they know you, and your credibility should already be established so that your professional advice and guidance will be listened to, respected, and valued. Once again, I'm Michael Mahon, your real estate success strategist. If you found this video helpful and informative, and if you feel that I've delivered some value to you, look below, like the video, subscribe to my channel, or follow me. And don't forget to smash the bell to receive more notifications.